Welcome back, English learners. It's Mark from Making English Fun, and today we're looking at a word that's cracking good. That word is yolk. Yolk. We're going to make sure you can pronounce it perfectly in just 1 minute. Let's dive in. Repeat after me. Yolk. Yolk. That's just one syllable. No tongue twisters, no big words here. It's great news for all of us. Sometimes learners find this word challenging because of its unique and strange spelling. The Y and O combine. It can be a little tricky, but we've got you covered. To pronounce yolk, start with the yo sound, like saying yo-yo, and then add k, like in kitten or kid. Yolk, just like that. 2 sounds, 1 syllable. Yolk. Let's practice together. Say it with me slowly. Yolk. 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 You're going to be nailing it. Practice a few more times and you'll have it down. Now, yolk, what does it mean? Well, it's the gold rich part of an egg, the bit in the middle that's packed with nutrients and packed with goodness and will turn into a chicken if you leave it long enough. It's the sun in your sunny side up breakfast. Now, when you're making your favourite breakfast, you can confidently order sunny side up with a perfect yolk. Keep up the great work, and remember to visit Making English Fun for more language fun, games, worksheets, lesson plans, and of course, learning. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more language tips and tricks. Until next time, we'll see you then.